Adding analytics into your game analysis is a crucial part of scientifically improving the performance of your individual players and the entire team. Measuring time of possession and passes connected versus passes lost are two really important items that demonstrate a performance advantage or disadvantage for your team. Now, obviously, it doesn't tell the entire story, but as a rule, the team that passes better and holds the ball longer is typically going to win more games than the team that passes poorly and loses possession quicker. The trouble with gathering this data is that there are a lot of passes in a game and the ball possession changes often. So what I like to do is take a first pass through the game and record only the time of possession and the passes to ensure I record this important information accurately. And because there's a lot happening, we've invested considerable time and effort refining this process with special hotkeys and proprietary logic to make this job as easy as possible. So let me show you exactly how I record this data and the special hotkeys that you can use to speed up the entire process. And remember, you can do this process yourself, or you can use one of our expert virtual coaches to do this for you for next to nothing. Literally less than 56 cents per player per game. Let's go take a look at how this works. To get started, you can create a new project from original media, shared videos, or you can open up an existing project. In this case, I'm going to open up an existing project. I'm going to click on the Edit button. And now you can see that I've already started on this project, and I want to point out that we have an independent track for the time of possession. We have an independent track for the pass connected, pass lost. And you can see in the time of possession there's a dark black color, and that's for dead time. We have the red color, which is for the opposing team. The blue color is for the home team. We also have different colored icons for the pass connected, pass lost. For a home team pass connected, we use the blue color. For the home team pass lost, we'll use the red color. And for the opposing team pass connected, we'll use more of an orange color. And then for the pass lost opposing team, the yellow and red. Below the player controls, you'll find the time of possession buttons. By default, they are in the off condition because when they are in the on condition, they will be recording your time of possession anytime the video is playing. To turn it on, simply click the button, and you'll see that we have three conditions: the home condition, dead time condition, or the opposing team condition. The dead time comes in handy so that you can eliminate all the time that the ball is out of bounds or out of play or during an injury. It's basically any time that you feel the ball isn't truly in play and shouldn't be recorded as time of possession. So you will either record home time, opposing time, or dead time whenever the game is going. Now you'll also see at the top where we have the home team and the opposing team. This designates which team the tags are being applied. So I'm going to switch from our media view to our tag view, and now you see that we have our pass connected and pass lost tags. And you can apply a pass connected or pass lost to either the home team or the opposing team. The other condition that you need to pay attention to is the default. When we have our player lineup loaded, the system will try to apply a specific tag to a specific player. And if you wanted to, you could measure your passes connected, passes lost for your specific players, but because there's a lot of work to do that, it's very common not to do it and only measure your pass connected, pass lost from a whole team standpoint. But you can do it either way you choose. As you'll recall, I told you that we combined some of the functionality into a single hotkey. And logically, you cannot lose a pass or connect a pass unless you actually have the ball. So we made the same hotkey that toggles between home and opposing for time of possession also toggle between home and opposing at the very same time for applying the pass connected, pass lost. This is a real time saver when you're going through an entire video. Now watch what happens when I click on the hotkey to move from the opposing team to the home team. First, you'll notice that the video starts playing automatically, and you'll notice that the opposing goes to home. So when I apply a pass connected or pass lost from my hotkeys, it will be applied to the correct team. Here we go. And you see it's changed. It started the video. If I move to dead time, it won't do anything to the tag application. But when I move back to opposing, you'll see it moves the tag and the time of possession at the same time. We also use the spacebar as a hotkey, and this starts and stops the video without affecting the home or opposing condition. Now let me combine using the hotkeys for the time of possession as well as adding pass connected, pass lost. For the purpose of this tutorial, I won't be following the action on the screen, and I'll just be applying the tags. And there's a pass connected, another pass connected, and a pass lost, and then switching the time of possession to the opposing team. And now when I add another pass connected, you'll see that it's a different color icon to designate that this is a pass connected for the opposing team. And now let me superimpose a keyboard onto the screen so you can see exactly what I'm doing and the effect it's having on the video. Again, for the purpose of this demonstration, we're not going to try to match up the actual pass connected or time of possession to the play that's taking place. I just want to show you how the hotkeys work so that you can use them in your videos. To toggle the time of possession between home, dead, and opposing, I'll use the Z button for home. I'll use the X button to move it to the dead time. The C button moves it to opposing. And when I want to make a pass connected, I'll use this bracket. And a pass lost, I'll use the opposite bracket. So now I can toggle between home, pass connected, pass lost, opposing, pass connected, pass lost. And the last hotkey is the spacebar, and that starts and stops the video independent of all other conditions. These hotkeys are really going to save you a boatload of time and are really intuitive to use. There's also a small PDF you can download and print as a reminder of what each hotkey does. Soccer Pro was built to make sure you spend more time on the field and less time behind a computer. If you want smarter, happier players that win more games and you don't already have an account with Soccer Pro, then join today and discover what your competitors already know.